Up until now, we've learned about the simple present tense and that simple equals one word. So, for example, she likes apples. Our verb is in the simple present tense. It has just one piece. I teach it like this because I don't want you to say she is like apples. Now we have two pieces and this is incorrect. However, for some verbs, for example, like, sometimes the thing you like is an action. For example, I like to dance. I like to swim. In this case, we just have one main verb still. Our main verb is like, but we also have this other piece here that is what you like to do. I like to dance. So notice that in both examples, when you want to say you like to do an action, you need this word to. And then the word over here is in base form. No S, no NG, no ING. So we're going to look at three verbs that work like this. We are going to look at I like to, I want to, and I have to. All three of these verbs, I like, I want, and I have, can be followed by to plus an action. I like to dance. I want to eat ice cream. I have to study. So let's look at each of these verbs a little bit more. When you say I like to do something, you're talking about things you enjoy. These are things that you do already. So it's not about hoping something for the future. It's not about dreaming of doing something. It's about something you already do and you enjoy it. So I use the example I like to dance because I dance all the time. This is something I regularly do and I like it. I like to dance. I could also say my dog likes to walk. She gets so happy when she goes for a walk. It's something we regularly do and she likes it. So notice we have to keep all of our good rules for simple present tense. I like, and my dog likes. Why? My dog is a she. She likes, right? But here, when we get to the thing that you like to do, you put the to plus base form. So I like to dance. My dog likes to walk. There's no S. I don't say my dog likes to walks. No, that's bad. And I won't say my dog likes to walking. No, just the base simple form. All right. So the grammar is present tense, like, plus to plus base form verb. So when you say, I want to do something, I want to, right? This is not just I want money, right? This is I want to do something, an action that you want to do. This could be something that you want in the future, or it could be something that you want to do now. This might be something that you've done before, or it might be something you've never done. Both are fine. So, for example, I could say, I want to learn Arabic. Now, I have never learned Arabic before, but it's something that I want to do, right? So I have want in present tense, and then I have the action that I want. Again, it starts with to, and then base form verb. Now, what if I use the subject he or she or it? Like I could say, my husband. I would say my husband wants, right? Because we need the S. My husband wants to go to Italy. So here I have want plus to go. Here is the present tense verb, wants, and here is the action that he wants to go. So we could say again, the grammar is present tense of want plus to plus base form verb. Every time you hear base form verb, it's an action. There's no S, there's no ing. The simple form. When we say I have to do something, the meaning is very different than I want to or I like to, right? I have to is what we call an obligation. That means something you need to do. You don't have a choice. It is an obligation. You can look that up in the dictionary. An obligation. It is like a chore or something that you maybe don't really want to do, but it's necessary. Okay, and so this is something that you haven't done yet, but you need to. So maybe it is 10 a.m. before class, and you say, uh-oh, I have to do my homework. Right? And I might ask you the question, what do you have to do? I have to do my homework, right? Or if we have he, she, or it, for example, my sister. What does your sister have to do? My sister has to. Now, we don't have to use the word do here. It could be any action, right? You could say my sister has to do her homework, or you could say my sister has to make dinner, right? So again, we see the same pattern where we start with a present tense verb, have or has, right? The present tense verb plus to, and then base form verb. I have to do my homework. My sister has to make dinner. So one more time, we write the rule. Present tense, have. So remember, that could be have or has, plus to, plus base form verb. Notice that this meaning of have is different than when you say, like, I have a car or I have a dog, right? That means you own it. But this meaning is different. It's about needing, necessity, must do something.